we are going to check about how we can use useEffect hook for fetching data from an API server. For it, currently I have created a dummy page, a persons list page. It is for listing the persons. When running it, you can see it like this. We are going to fetch data from an API endpoint like localhost persons. This is a persons list. Okay, it have limited values: ID, first name, last name, age and sex. We are going to check how we can fetch this data using the useEffect hook. Okay, for it I have already created a state variable data. We are going to use this state variable to store this data. Okay, now I am going to create the useEffect. It need to run only once, so I am after rendering this command, it will run only once by passing an empty array as the dependency for the useEffect. Okay, now I am creating a function in it for fetching the data. Fetch data equal to async. Sorry, wait. Sorry, here it is async. We are fetching the data in a try block. Try, open bracket. Maybe we can display cats section. Cats. Console.log. Just printing an error message. Error fetching the data. Okay, now from the fetch method we are calling the API. Constant response equal to await fetch of single quotes. We are just copying the URL from here. Okay, copying it and pasting it. Then we need to parse it. Result equal to await response dot JSON. As the data is JSON, we are parsing it. Now the result has the data. Set data. We are calling this set method. Set data of result. Let us check if this thing is working. I'm just consoling this result, console.log of result. We can check is this working. Oh, sorry, we are not called this function. From the useEffect we are now calling this function fetch data of the use of the function body is itself in the useEffect. Okay, now you can see that the data is got in the component. Now we just need to print this data. Okay, so we have the data and now we only need to print this data here. So this is only this is the basic step for fetching data in the useEffect. Okay, now we are going to display it here. We are using a map function. Data.map person. Sorry, person. Oh. We are just adding this. Here you can see that there is some data is possibly undefined. For removing that error, I am just checking is data is present. Data and data.map. Now you can see that the property map does not exist on type never. Okay, so the data we have not defined any data type. So I am just adding it here. It is not corrected the issue. I think we can use a Typescript. I'm just adding an interface person we know how many fields: ID, first name, last name, age and sex. Okay, we are just copying it from here. We are creating an interface for it. Okay, ID is a number, so we are adding a number here. Then we don't want this comma. First name is a string. Okay, cannot find number. Okay, string. This is also string. Age is a number. Sex is also a string. So we here define the type of the values. Okay, you can see ID, first name, this is a type. Okay, now we are defining that type here. It is a person. It is a person's array. It is only not a single person, it's a person's array, so we are adding it here like this. Okay, now what is the error? The void is not assignable to type react node. Just saving it. There is a bug in it, but I am not getting that issue. What is void? Oh, sorry, we have to use this bracket here because it is only one child there. Okay, now I am added a person.id here, then person dot first name. As we declared the type of this this type interface, it is recommending the field names here. First name, last name, then age, then sex. Okay, now there is no errors. Just checking if it is working. Wow, you can see that it is working fine. So today we learned about how to use the interface, means TypeScript. This is the TypeScript thing, how to define the type of this person using it in the use state, then fetching the data using the useEffect. I think you know why we are using the useEffect for fetching the data, because otherwise it will render if you not use the useEffect and put it in outside the code, and when there is any change in the state variables in this page, it will render this, it will call the fetch data again and again. So we have used the useEffect here. I think you understand everything. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.